Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Anurag. Today we'll be continuing with the Python series and today's topic is loops, and we'll be continuing with the second part of loops which is called as while loop. Okay. So let's just start with while loop. There are basically three main conditions when we are learning while loop. There are first is initialization, second is condition, and third is increment and decrement. Okay. So let's just see it in the code. Control N, while loop. So I will be initializing I equal to 0. Okay. First I will initialize. Second I will write the while keyword, and then I will write a condition which should be false at some state. Okay. Within some iteration it should be false. Otherwise it will go to an infinite while loop. Okay. So just take note of that. The condition should terminate after a certain set of iterations. So I will be writing I is less than 10, print I, and I will increment the value by I plus 1. Okay. Control S. I will save it as while loop. Okay. And I will just run the code. Run mod. Okay. Okay. Run. Run module. And I am able to print the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay. I will just show you how to print reverse, like from 9 to 1. Okay. So I will just comment the whole code. In the last video I showed how to have multi-line comments in Python by using three codes. Okay. So I will just write I equal to 10. I am writing while I is greater than 0. Okay, I am putting a condition where I is greater than 0, and I am printing the value of I, and then I am decrementing the I value by 1. Okay, control S, run, run module. As you can see, I am able to see the values from 10 to 1. Okay. So in this way, we can use a while loop to print numbers from 0 to 9 as well as from 10 to 1 in both ascending and descending order by the use of increment or decrement operations. Okay. We will learn more about the other topics in the coming video. Thank you for watching.